Here's everything that I know about butternut in 90 seconds. Butternut is a walnut, and it's actually been known historically as white walnut. Its Latin name is Juglans cinerea, and it's very closely related to black walnut, which is Juglans nigra. Butternut has been planted by people on this landscape for a long time. Indigenous peoples planted and spread the seeds of butternuts for thousands of years, and colonial people have planted this species for hundreds of years. And there's actually tons of these like old-time New England recipes that involve butternuts. Like black walnut, the seed hole, the fleshy coating around that nut, can be used for dyeing. It produces this yellowish hue, which was used to dye some parts of Confederate military uniforms in the Civil War, which is why one of the nicknames for Confederate soldiers was butternuts. Unlike black walnut, the wood of butternut is not considered valuable, but butternut that's salvaged from dead butternut trees, what we call wormy butternut, which is all full of these holes, is considered kind of an interesting niche wood. It's actually the trim on all the windows in my house. Since the 1800s, butternuts have been crossing with a non-native species called Japanese heartnut, making a cross that we call butternut. These crosses are pretty common in forests. When I was in forestry school, I was a big-time dendrology, tree ID nerd. And one time, me and my friend Will found a tree in the woods that we could not identify, and it was freaking us out. It was a healthy butternut tree. We'd never seen them before. And the reason for that is because of this. This is an introduced pathogen that's called the butternut canker that establishes these cankers. Eventually, the cankers work their way around the tree. They sap the tree's strength and can girdle the tree. And the closest estimation we have for how many butternut trees are afflicted with butternut canker is 100%. Because of butternut canker, finding any butternut tree in the woods or anywhere else is really special.